So we got a news about, BTC drop more than $2,000 within one night.
I think it's going to be okay. I think it's actually a good thing even.
Why?
If you bought Bitcoin 2 days ago, like you put a whole bunch of money in there, today you won't be happy, obviously, right? But the thing is, if you've been buying Bitcoin for a long time, looking at a 7% drop like that, it's not going to really shake you. Various months ago, that big companies, big banks like BlackRock and, what was the other one? Goldman Sachs, right? These folks are just dying to find an opportunity to buy more Bitcoin, and they're waiting for drops like this 7%, for example, to happen for them to accumulate more Bitcoin, right?
So you think all these happen, they are on purpose?
For the whole summer, from like June, July until now, Bitcoin's volume has been really flat. The price hasn't been really moving. If you go through like Google search and stuff like that, there's like no action. There's nothing happening with Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This 7% drop, it's a huge drop.
Yeah, it is a huge drop. But it's also an opportunity because now it gets more people talking about Bitcoin, number one. It also gets the big companies to come in and take that opportunity to buy the dip. That 2,000 that was just shaved off of Bitcoin, right, from yesterday, we will get that back and some from now to November. Hopefully not even December. When we get December, it should be way past 28K.
Based on the chart,
So
it drops every 3 years and
Yeah.
then pumps up even higher than.
maybe we need to put up a
years
graphic
before.
actually showing the chart so you can see the dips and the
I will.
rises.
I will
Pull
put
up
it
a
there.
graphic. Typically, the lowest part of the drop ends up higher every time. And the highest part of the climb ends up higher every time as well. Today, if we have 21 million Bitcoin mined, like done today, that doesn't mean that there's 21 million Bitcoin circulating the market. That's not true, because there's going to be a large number of Bitcoin that is just lost. And then there's also companies that they keep their Bitcoin off the market on purpose, like MicroStrategy, for example. They accumulate Bitcoin and they take it off the market. They put it in cold storage.
And they don't sell it.
Oh yeah, they don't sell it. They pull it out of circulation.
Greedy motherfuckers.
Because Bitcoin is considered deflationary, which means the value goes up and the supply goes down. Whereas the dollar, you crank up that money printer,
It causes inflation.
Causes inflation,
Yep.
brings down the value of your dollar.
So, do you think right now is the best timing to buy Bitcoin?
If I were to buy Bitcoin, I would probably buy it between 23,000 and 24,000, just because there are more support levels in the history of that chart. Right now, it's sitting at 26 and change, and I don't think, to me, it doesn't seem like sufficient support. If I have $10,000, I'd be like, okay, it hit 24K, I put $1,000. If it goes down to 23K, I put $2,000. And if it continues to go down slowly from there, then I'll invest more.
But that's for short term.
Yeah.
Short term trading.
Yeah.
But to me, I think Bitcoin it has to be like benefit for those people who always look for long term trade.
If you are planning on holding Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency or stock for, let's say, 5 to 10 years, then in that case, I would say, yeah, just buy the thing and forget about it. Honestly, the best policy, in my opinion, is always to DCA, is to dollar cost average, which simply means that every month you have a set amount that you put into your Bitcoin or into your stocks. Over the long term, from now back until the 1960s or 1900s, it's going to continue to climb. It takes its dips and we have recessions and crashes, but it continues to climb, etc. That's my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah, motherfucker.